With 2 cats and a rabbit, I couldn't wait to try this air purifier that Heapets sent me. Let's unbox it and set it up. This comes well packaged with a lot of foam around the edges so that it doesn't get crushed during shipping. Inside the box, you'll find this nice unit. There's 2 extra filters included, the instruction booklet and a cord. So first we'll remove all of the extra little tape that's on here for shipping. Then we remove the protective covering from the top. So first we're going to take off the front cover. As you can see, there's extra filters on the inside. So we have to make sure we take the plastic off. And then as you can see, each of these filters lasts 3 to 6 months, so that is very cost effective. Notice that there is an arrow pointing to where you have to insert it, and it tells you exactly where the front should be. So we'll just pop it back into place, and then put the cover back on. Next, we're going to plug the cord into the back right here, and then we'll plug it into the wall. So it's running, and if you notice right here, there's a green light. The green light means that you have good air quality, and then if you get a blue light, that means that it is fair, and if you get a red light, that means you have bad air quality. Up on the top is the speed setting, then you have the timer, which is the L, then you have the sleep mode, then the sterilization mode, the pet lock mode, and then this is the anion button, and this is the power button right here. This air purifier is so quiet you can barely even hear it running. They include a QR code so you can download their app, and then here are all of the instructions to use the app so that you can control this device from wherever you are. This air purifier works great. I can already smell the fresh air coming out of it. I'm excited to use it for my animals, and it's going to help my home smell better and keep the dust down as well. I really love this air purifier, and I think you will too.